Okay, children. So as you can see, today we are going to proceed with the next part of the lesson. So here we are going to learn how to insert sound from clip art. Okay. So clip art is the sound effect that you can choose one of them from a slide transition or an animation. Okay. So let us see the steps how to do this. So click on the insert tab. You will find the audio option in the media group. Fine. So you need to click on that. Once you click on the audio option, you will get the option, the first one. Click on that. This is the audio in my PC. Once you click on that, you will get to see all the audios which is saved in your computer or laptop. Okay. So from there, you need to so this is the gallery. This is the place where the media file is stored. You will select any one of these, click on insert, and you will see the audio track is inserted. Fine. You can also use the playback tab in the ribbon to edit the clip according to your wish. Okay, you can see many options over here and can animate or add transition effect according to your. Okay, so you can press on the preview button or the play button and can choose or listen to the audio track you have added to your slide. Okay. Fine. So this is how we insert audio clip or audio in the clip art. Okay. So here we are going to add sound to an element in the slide. Okay. So this sound will be played when we click on a certain element on the slide. And to do this, we need to follow some steps. So we will select an element. Then we will go to the insert tab and click on the option action. The dialog box for the action settings will appear on the screen. Okay, once we click on that. So as you can see here, we will click on play sound and choose the sound clip we want to play when you click on it. Okay, you can select any one of these. Fine. Then we will click on OK. And here we have added the sound effect. Fine. So now we are going to insert sound in slide transition. Okay. So when the slide transits to another with a movement, we can add sound to be played during the transition. Okay. So we will click on the transition tab, and in the timing group, we have selected any of the sound we wish to. Fine. And this is how we have created a sound effect. Now we are going to learn how to insert video clips in our presentation. Okay. And video clips add interest to the presentation. Okay. So follow the steps how you're going to do this. Okay. So go to the insert tab and click on the option video in the media group. So children, just like as you have inserted sound clip in your presentation, you can also choose to insert a video from a file, web, or a clip art. Okay. So as you can see, this is the place where you can select any online video via connected with the internet. You can also choose any video, or you can take any video that is in your PC where you need to click or you need to double click on it, or you can simply click on the insert button, and simply you will be able to see you have drag and drop a video into your presentation. Fine. So this is the video you have taken into your presentation, and with many effects you can design the layout of your video. Okay, so keep on watching. You can see, children, the formatting of the video can be edited from the Format tab after the video is inserted. Okay? So children, now we will be learning how to use action buttons. Okay, so what are action buttons? Action buttons are hyperlinks within the presentation. Alright, and they help the inserting link to open a document, an audio or video clip directly from the presentation. Fine. And it is a button to go from one side straight to another out of the sequence, or connect two files with each other. So simply we are going to connect two files each other, or we are going to give a click and it will go straight to another slide. Okay, so to do this we need to follow the simple steps. So we need to first click the Insert tab, then click the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear with the action buttons located at the very bottom. Now you need to select the desired action button. Then step number 4 is to insert the button onto the slide by clicking at the desired location. Okay, so the action setting dialog box will appear once you do this. So now select the mouse click or mouse over tab. Selecting the mouse click tab means your action button will perform its action only when clicked. And selecting the mouse over tab will make the action button perform its action when you move the mouse over it. Fine. So in the action on click section, select hyperlink to, then click the drop down arrow and choose an option from the menu. Okay. So now to create a hyperlink, check the box against the hyperlink to option and select the destination of the link, then click on OK. So now we are going to learn the last topic of this lesson, that is how to import data. So if you already have the data typed in your computer system and you want to add the same data to your PowerPoint presentation, you can directly import data from the Word document. Fine. So the steps to import data from MS Word, we are going to see all those things here. Step 1. Click on New Slide in the Home tab on the ribbon. Fine. So click on the option Slides from Outline and Insert Outline dialog box will appear on the screen. Fine. So browse and navigate to the location of the Word file you want to import. Fine. So you are searching for the file from your computer or laptop which you are going to insert in your PowerPoint presentation. Here you can re-edit the files after inserting text and format it according to the presentation. Okay. So you need to keep a thing in your mind that pictures might not get copied with this method. So copying from MS Word and pasting it in MS PowerPoint is suggested for that. Fine. So students, now we have come to the end of this lesson. So your work is to go through all the 3 slides that you have received so far, the tutorials, and follow the textbooks, each and every line from the very beginning till the end, and also go through the summary. Okay, and our next class we are going to solve the question and answers. Till then, take care of yourself. Meet you in the next class. Thank you for watching.